Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about sales book and sales return book. Very easy. Sales book will record all the credit sales of goods only and the total of that will be transferred to sales account. Same as purchase. In purchase book, we record credit purchases. In sales book, we will record credit sales of goods only. No credit sales of fixed asset, no cash sales. Only and only credit sales of goods. In the sales return book, we will record the sales return what we receive from our customer, and then that will be transferred to sales return account. Remember, the total of book is transferred to the account. Next, the seller will receive the goods, seller will prepare the credit note and send it to the purchaser of goods. Purchaser of goods, see, in this case the purchaser is our customer because we are the seller, we are receiving back any sales return. I will prepare the credit note and I will give it to the customer. Our customer is the purchaser of goods. Now, how does the credit note look? Specimen of credit note, seller's name, address, credit note number, purchaser number. In our this case, if I say, suppose we are Ram, the seller, and here is some Sham, our customer or say purchaser. Ram received goods. Sham gave goods back to Ram. Ram has received sales return. So Ram will prepare credit note. Seller's name is Ram, Ram's address, credit note number, purchaser name is Sham, his address, details of the goods were returned, amount here, and seller's name who is Ram in this case, and the signature of Ram's manager. Now, moving further. Important note, remember this, sales of any kind of fixed asset, computer, machine, furniture are not covered under sales book. These will be covered in the journal proper. Now, check what is the capsule number 1. Prepare sales book for, we will give some name, prepare sales book. Now, the transactions happened in the 2023 March and we will prepare here sales book. Now in sales book, there are no debit and credit in the book, sales book or purchase book. We will write the details. First thing is, we sold to Gupta and Verma Delhi 30 shirts, 20 trousers, trade discount and packing charges. So we will write Gupta and Verma. First we will write the date. What's the date? What's the date? March 23, 3rd March. Month of March, 3rd. The name is Gupta and Verma. Gupta and Verma, Delhi. What are the goods we sold? 30 shirt, 20 trouser. 30 shirts, 20 trousers at 400, 600, 400 and 600. We can write here 400 into 30 will come at 12,000. 600 into 20 is again 12,000. Invoice number, sales value. Now the trade discount 10% and packing charges 300. Trade discount 10%. First we'll write the total here. Total 24,000. Then less trade discount 10%, 2,400. 21,600. Now after this we have to add packing charges 300 rupees. $21,900. Sales value we will write 21,600. Then we'll write in packing charges. How much is their packing charges? Packing charges are 300. And we'll write here the total 21,900. Now, the next question we have here is March 5 sold old furniture to Mrs. Sehgal and Co. for rupees 8,000. Now be very careful. We are not selling any goods. We are selling old furniture. So there will be no entry in sales book. Why? Because furniture is a fixed asset. And we record only credit sales of goods in the sales book. The next question we have is March 8 sold 50 shirts to Jain and Sons Kanpur at rupees 400 each. So Jain and Sons 50 shirts, Jain and Sons 50 shirts at rupees 400 each. Fifty-fours are 20,000. There is no discount, there is no packing charges. So here also 20,000 nil and 20,000 in here. Now, next question. For March 5, you can write here directly no entry. The next is March 10, Mrs. Mathur, Kolkata. You will write here March 10. Mrs. Mathur, Kolkata. How much and what are the goods here? 100 shirts and 10 overcoats. Okay. We'll write here 100 shirts, 10 overcoats at, what's the prices? 400 and 1,000, then 10% discount. 400, 1,000. How much is the cost? 400 into 100 will be 40,000. 1,000 into 10 is 10,000. 50,000. This is your total. Less trade discount. At 10%, that will be 5,000. When we remove, we will get 45,000. Then we will add here the freight charges, that is 1,200. Add freight 1,200. Hence, the total will be 46,200. Simple enough. Now, we'll write here 45,000 and 1,200. Will prepare another column for freight. And here we will write the total 46,200. After this, we will give the total of all the columns. Total will be as 21,600. These column total will be 86,600. Here will be 300. Here will be 1,200. So 1,500 extra, 87,600, 88,100 is your total. We know that the total of sales book should be transferred to sales account. So the entry will be Gupta, Jain and Mathur. So we will write here Gupta, Jain and Mathur account debit to sales account, to packing charges to freight. Sir, we have a doubt. Packing and freight charges were expenses. When we learnt purchase book, we used to debit them. Then why are we crediting them right now? See, in this case, when we are adding packing and freight charges, that we will recover from our customer. So in this case, it has become our income. We will be receiving that money from them. When we were purchasing, we had to pay that money to the seller. But now we are selling, we will recover that from customer. That's why we are crediting packing and freight, and that's why they have become income in this case. So packing was how much? 300. Packing was 300 rupees, freight was 1200, and 86,600 was the sale. Simple enough. It came here. Now Gupta, Jain and Mathur, what will be the values? 21,900. Write the total figures, 20,000 and then 46,200. These values will be appearing here in the ledger account. Simple enough. Now moving to the sales return account. Very simple. Prepare sales return book for Mrs. Ajay Textiles. You can give the heading here in the books of Mrs. Ajay, and you will write here sales return account. Sorry, not account, sales return book. Simple enough. Now, what is the first item? On April 7th, Ramesh and Co. Guwahati returned 500 pens sold at 50 rupees per unit, less trade discount at 10%. So, what will we write here? 2023, April 7, Ramesh and Co. Guwahati, 500 pens at rupees 50 per unit. 5 5s are 25, so you will write here 25,000 less trade discount at 10%, 2,500. So it will be coming as 22,500. Amount will come 22,500. Simple. Next is April 9. Naresh and Co. Kolkata. What have they returned? 300 pens at rupees 55. 3 into 55 will become 16500. And here also 16500. That's all for the sales return. Now what will we do? We'll pass the journal entry. Sales is credited, so sales return will be debited. Very good. Sales return account debit. Who is returning the goods? Ramesh and Naresh and Co. So we'll write to Ramesh, to Naresh. What are the amounts? 22,500 and 16,500. It will become 39,000. This is it. Simple enough. Now, thank you so much.